Close your eyes now. Close.
No,
It's okay. You don't want to be spray.
Okay. Okay, I've been in my food.
Yeah, Maricar is no. Buhay pa sana. Maricar, oo, nagbabalik. No, Maricar is in the Philippines. Go visit her.
I'm making food.
Okay, you make a food. Okay. What happened?
I don't want.
You trick me?
No. I don't want.
Oh, rocks.
But that's it.
Oo. Ang dami mong momo Maricar.
Unicorn.
Ang dami mong baon Oh, really? Wow. It's okay. You'll take a shower anyway.
Hey, Mama be in me.
Huh?
Mama be in me.
Grandma will be angry?
Yeah.
Oh, tell Grandma. Mama said I can.
What?
Tell Grandma. Mommy said I can.
Baby Dicky?
I can. Yeah, I can. Take care. I can. Take your shower. Magalit daw si Grandma. Ano ba nangyari yan? Kausapin niyo yan, oh.
Hi.
Ang daming mga ibon, no? Ang ganda ng panahon. Yeah, kami-kami lang. Walang tao. Ay, sino? Ay, naku, busy. Ay, mga mumo. Nandiyan nga, ang dami nga. Oo. What you guys doing? Where you guys going? Happy birthday! Okay, anong ulam, Chay? Anong ulam? Anong ulam mo?
Yes.
Are you taking a shower, Julie? Oo, 7 PM dito na, 7:00 ng gabi, guys. Tignan niyo naman, taas ng araw, no?
How does a total?
Oh, wow, sarap niya na. Pritong isda ba yan?
10.
Yeah. 7 PM, no? 7:00 ng gabi dito sa... Is it morning or evening?
Evening.
Evening. Okay.
Hey, Mommy, morning, evening.
Morning.
No, evening.
Evening, yeah. No, there's a sun, see? Is it morning or evening?
Evening.
Evening, but there's a sun.
It's summer.
It's summer. It's evening. It's summer. Ang dami mo mumu
I can keep talking.
Maricar, daming mumu.